So in my previous video, we talked about how to invest in gold, where we discussed the different types of ways to buy your gold and where you can actually buy your gold. But in this video, I'm going to give you an in-depth tutorial on how to actually buy the gold and invest in it. So in my previous video, we discussed about many ways to buy the gold. So in this video, we're going to dive straight into how to buy your gold and invest them directly. So the first one we are talking about is gold ETFs. So in my previous video, we discussed what gold ETFs are and the types of gold ETFs that you can invest in. So if you want to buy a gold ETF, you can check out the US stock markets. I use Bamboo app. You can use the code in the description below or the code on the screen to download and install Bamboo app to start investing on the US stock market. So first, we're going to talk about the SPDR gold ETF. The SPDR Gold Shares is the largest typical backed gold exchange traded fund in the world. You can actually buy SPDR Gold ETF, which can be found on the US stock market. Today, I'm using the Bamboo app to show you how to buy your gold ETF. So if you want to learn how to buy stocks on the US stock market, you can also check the link in the description below for my US stock market video. So over here, you click on Invest, then you can search for SPDR GLD. So I'll search for GLD and the rate right now is around $230.62. You can buy every month or I can buy now. So I'll click on the buy now to buy now. Then enter the amount that you want to buy. So if you want to buy $100 in Ghana's currency, it will be around 1,642 Ghana cedis. And you're going to get 0.4337 shares. All I need to do is to make a deposit and my USD wallet. So I need to top up my USD wallet and use it to buy. Very easy to buy. So if you want to learn how to buy on the Bamboo app, check the link in the description below for the video on how to buy. So you just need to click on buy and just make payment. You can actually buy SPDR straight on the Bamboo app and it will be added to your portfolio. You can also buy gold ETF on the Ghana Stock Exchange using the IC World app. So let's go directly on the IC World app to buy the gold ETF. So the gold ETF is known as the New Gold ETF, which is sponsored by Absa Capital, and it offers an opportunity to invest in gold bullion. This ETF is backed by physical gold structured as debentures. Each debenture is approximately equivalent to 100 grams of gold bullion, which is held with a secure depository on behalf of investors. So if you want to learn how to buy stocks on the Ghana Stock Exchange, you can also check out the video in the description below where I showed you how to buy MTN shares on the Ghana Stock Exchange. So let's go directly on the IC World app where you buy your new gold. So over here, I have the Trade Live portfolio. I can click on the tab here, which is Trade Live, and I'll click on the tab here to trade. Then it will take you directly on the Trade Live app where the companies are listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange. So you can see here I have MTN shares, which is I have around 200 shares on MTN. So you scroll down to check for GLD. So the short code is GLD. So you can see GLD here, that is 181.10. Click on buy. You have to make sure you have enough funds to be able to buy. So I have to add around 334 Ghana cedis to be able to buy. So I'll click on select portfolio and I'll enter the amount. Then I'll select the payment method. Then I'll click on submit. So I already have my MTN wallet in the app already. So all I need to do is it's going to pop up for me to enter my PIN. So I've successfully deposited into my Trade Live portfolio. So I'll click on go back. So it can take some few minutes to show your deposit. So I already received a message that I've deposited, but it hasn't reflected on the IC Wealth app yet. So I'm going to wait for it to reflect, then get back to you again. Okay, so it took 15 minutes to reflect my money on my dashboard. Mostly it comes early. I think it delayed today. So I'll scroll down to GLD. So you can see GLD here. I'll click on buy. That is around 381.10 Ghana cedis. And I have 382 on my account here. So I will click on one share. So I'm going to buy one share here. Then I'll click on, they're saying I should still top up 47 Ghana cedis. So I understand the reason why I have to top up 47 Ghana cedis, because they will charge me a 10% consideration fee or something. So I forgot to top up that. So hold on, let me top up and come back again on this. Okay, so let's continue here. I'll scroll down to GLD click on buy. Then over here, I'm going to buy my gold in here. So I'll click on proceed. Then you can see I have 10 cedis charged. So the estimated consideration is around 429 Ghana, 93 pesos. So I'll click on proceed. Then the next step is to confirm. So I'm buying once 381 Ghana cedi and I'm being charged 10 Ghana cedi 49 pesos for the charges. I'll click on submit to confirm my purchase. So it will take some few seconds to load. So you can see my order has been submitted successfully. So what happens is it will take some time for it to be confirmed. They need to actually execute it. So let's go to history here, and you can see that it's under pending. It needs to be executed. It needs to be fully executed before I can see it on my dashboard. So you can see my 432 is still there. I can decide to cancel it anytime before they actually execute the action. So that's the easiest way to buy the new gold ETF on the Ghana stock market using the IC World app. The next way to buy and invest in gold is via the gold mining stocks. So if you want to buy and invest in gold, another best way is to buy the gold mining stocks. I mean, the real mining companies that mines the gold from the earth. So with this one, you indirectly invest into the mining companies who mine from the earth. Some of the gold mining companies that you can invest in are AngloGold Ashanti and Gold Fields Limited. So AngloGold Ashanti is the third largest gold mining company in the world measured by production. It is a global mining company with diverse, high-quality portfolio of gold, silver, copper operations and projects. So you can buy and invest in AngloGold Ashanti on the US stock market at a price of $29.54 as at the time I'm recording this video. So you can see here there is a drop in AngloGold Ashanti price from 30.71 to 29.54. So you can actually invest in AngloGold Ashanti using the Bamboo app on the US stock market. The next mining stock you can invest in is Gold Fields Limited. Gold Fields has total attributable annual gold equivalent production of 2.3 million ounces of gold, and their stocks are listed on both Johannesburg Stock Exchange and the New York Stock Exchange. So Gold Fields stocks is now trading at $14.07 as at the time I'm recording this video, and you can invest in Gold Fields Limited on the US stock market using the Bamboo app. So if you are new here, make sure that you've subscribed to the page for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the like button to help this video go far, because this motivates me more to produce more videos like this. So as always, I'll see you in my next video.